for doing some small or some minor touch-ups. We've also got craft services. That's my favorite part of any set because that's the food, yay! We've also got whoa, okay. Okay, no worries everybody, it's just a little tremor. We get them all the time in California. Oh, okay. Maybe worry. This might be the big one. Brace yourselves! Congratulations, everybody. You just survived Earthquake, the big one. This attraction originally opened 35 years ago in 1989. We just reopened this.
Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, would you mind doing me a couple of favors? Click the like button, leave a comment below the video, click that subscribe button, and click the bell icon. You are all so wonderful and have a magical rest of your day. Bye.